Here's the carriage advance, the line advance sitting on a Brother portable. When you move it, that piece on the top that goes back and forth has a spring pulling it down. It's riding on that metal piece I left there. When it jumps down and catches the teeth, the paper advances. This piece here determines how soon it jumps down onto the teeth. Now it's doing a lot more lines because it's grabbing the teeth earlier. The stroke is the same, but when it's over here, it doesn't engage until later. Now, earlier Brothers had a similar mechanism, not quite like this, but I think you get the idea.